Good morning. On this video clip, you will learn how you can use Raz-Plus resources to support instructional decisions based off your data from your NWEA MAP assessments. There are two places on Raz-Plus where you can access links to these correlations. The first is right here on your main web page. If you just scroll down to the middle of the page in this gray box titled Standards and Correlations, you can access, using this Curricula and Assessments link, the area to your MAP correlations. When I click onto the link, it will open up to the area where you can see how to find resources to support the data you get from your MAP assessments. These correlations link to Raz-Plus resources to use for targeted instruction based on students' RIT scores from both the NWEA MAP Growth Assessment for grades 2 through 5th and MAP Growth Assessment for grades kindergarten through 2nd. Once you have identified your students' RIT range for each goal from your MAP data, you will be ready to access these resources. For example, the first step is to come here to your correlations area and from the Curriculum and Assessment drop-down menu, select the MAP Growth for grades 2 through 5 or MAP Growth kindergarten through 2nd assessment. I'm going to select the grades 2 through 5. Next, you want to choose the RIT range for any students you intend to work with. I'm going to select this range, and the final step is to click Go. What you see next is NWEA Learning Continuum goals for the selected assessment and RIT range. Based on NWEA's Learning Continuum, the correlations include the learning statements for each RIT level and instructional band. Choose from the available PDFs that each focus on one of the goals and download the PDF. So I'm going to select Literature, focusing on craft and structure and key ideas and details, and click. I will open up the PDF. And within the PDF, which I'm going to increase the view a little better for you, what you're going to find here are the sub-goals and topics directly from NWEA that you want to focus on with either individual students or groups of students. Next, you can see the specific learning statements for a given topic. The learning statements within the selected RIT range list those skills and concepts that students need to develop. Choose a learning topic that you would like to focus upon for instruction. So for example, if I want to focus on characterization and specifically describing a character's feelings or thoughts, I'm now going to come over to these final two columns. In this first column, what you're going to see is the specific type of resource on Raz-Plus. So for example, you see I have both a leveled book resource and a shared reading resource that I could use to support instruction of describing a character's thoughts or feelings. The final column will have the direct link to the chosen resource. Click on the link to access the resource's landing page. When you come to the resource landing page, please note that you will be able to use this resource for more than just the selected learning statement. However, if you access the resource lesson plan and review the student activities, you are sure to find support specific to the chosen learning statement that will assist you with instruction. Now, as I mentioned, there is a second place you can access these NWEA correlations, and that is right here in your Teacher's Corner tab, found all the way to the right on your navigation bar. When you open the Teacher's Corner tab and come to the section titled Standards and Correlations, you will find that same Curricula and Assessments link, and when you click on it, it will bring you to that same area where you can access those resources to support your chosen NWEA MAP assessment. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy using the resources to support your instruction.